Master phrasal verbs. In, on, out, off. ESL Easy English. What you'll learn. Mastering. In, out, on, and off. Welcome to ESL Easy English. Let's make phrasal verbs simple. Subscribe for more ESL tips. Let's get started with off. Off often shows stopping something, removing something, or leaving something behind. Turn off to stop a device. Take off to remove clothing. Take off to leave the ground. Put off to delay or postpone. Next, out. Out often shows movement away, removal, discovering, or completing. Find out to discover information. Take out to remove something from inside. Work out to exercise. Work out to solve a problem. Next, in. In shows. Come in. Move from outside. Fill in. Add information. Join in. Become part of an activity. Come in. Move from outside to inside. Fill in. To add information or complete a form or gap. Join in. To become part of an activity. Next, on. On shows to turn on, activate a device, to carry on, continue an action, or to put on. Dress yourself in something. Turn on, to activate a device. Carry on, to continue an action after a pause. Put on, to dress yourself in something. Whenever you see these little power words, off, out, in, and on, think about what they add. Removing versus adding. Entering versus leaving. And continuing versus finishing. When you match the meaning to the main verb, phrasal verbs will become clear. Thank you for watching. Now that you've mastered in, on, out, and off, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for loads more helpful lessons.